What day is today? The 11th? 12th? Monday's the 14th, so 13th is tomorrow, so today's the 12th. Good morning and happy January 12th. Adam and I are taking a little time today and going hiking. We're on the Bruce Trail in like Hamilton, Grisby area. I picked up an apple cider roll. It's really just, was it steamed apple juice from Starbucks? They didn't have apple cider. So we got that and we're just walking around. You can see, well, some views. I wouldn't say they're like stunning, beautiful views, but we're pretty high up. It looks cool. So we got, where is he? Try to do this with like one hand. Adam's up there. We got a little Scotchy here, sniffing and peeing on everything. And that is our morning so far. It's about 12 o'clock and just gonna spend the day hiking around and exploring. Oh, do you have to pee on that too? Where do you think this leads to?
I don't know. Pretty sure it goes all the way up north. So Bruce Trail.
So we could walk all the way up north.
Well, no, we couldn't. But the trail goes that far.
We are back from hiking and now I am, because I've been watching way too much Marie Kondo on Netflix and finished the series, I am going to do some organizing and put it into a different YouTube video. So stay tuned for that one and just kind of see if like her theories and methods and stuff really help me try to clear up these drawers and these laundry baskets of clothes that I have that I've just been waiting to kind of put away and see if I can get everything a little more organized. So that video is out. I'll put it down below. So make sure you go check that out. But that is what I think I'm going to do for the rest of the afternoon. So. Hey guys, happy Sunday. As you saw last night, Adam and I ended up going skating just downtown Burlington. They offer free skating there, which is really cool. So even free skates, so you can go skating, go rent them. It's all free, which is really neat, right at Spencer Smith Park. So we did that. Honestly, we didn't last very long. It was really cold, even though we dressed appropriately, but it was freezing, but we tried. So that was a lot of fun. But as mentioned, today's Sunday. I just uploaded a new video, the whole Marie Kondo one about tidying up. As I said before, like I'm really obsessed with that show. So I just uploaded that, so make sure you go check it out. But other than that, I am just getting ready now. I am like halfway through doing my makeup, but I thought like I should probably jump on here and start the vlog for the day because, as I mentioned, this is a goal for 2019. I want to try vlogging more, doing more of this stuff, creating just more travel content and stuff just within my own area. So like Hamilton and Burlington and things. So the plan for today is 20 Valley, just right in Jordan. If you're familiar with that area, they have a wine festival that's all outside, which is really cool. We actually went last year, so we're going to go check it out again today for a friend's birthday. And that is the plan. So stick around and I'm going to show you a little bit about that, the wine festival. Once again, I'm going to dress super appropriate. So I'm going to show you my outfit of the day too, because I'm probably just going to look like that. What is that like tire guy name? I'm going to put a photo here, but like that guy with like all the layers of clothing, but I'm going to be warm. So that's all that really matters. Okay, I'm ready for the winter. We got big cougar boots on. Right here, got a noise coat, big scarf, and the pom-pom hat, Canada Goose gloves. We're ready for the winter. I think we're gonna start with a glass of mulled wine because it's warm, and that's what the plan is. Yay!
Can't get close enough to the rhythm